Welcome back to your intermediate guide to ranch roping. Now we're going to talk about my favorite subject, adding distance to a Houlihan. Today's video is brought to you by 2 Timothy 1:7. For the Spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love, and self-discipline. Never weaken. Every single time I add distance to a Houlihan, I'm going to add coils in my hand. Very rarely are you going to see me throw a 3 or 4 coil Houlihan without those coils in my hand already. Usually I'm approaching the calf with it already prepared. So with that being said, let's talk about how I put them in my hand. So I have my loop, right? So the top is my spoke, the bottom is my loop strand. I'm gonna take my first coil, I'm gonna lay it next to the loop strand. I'm gonna take my next coil and I'm gonna lay it next to my spoke strand, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna make this like one piece of rope. It feels very comfortable in my hand. As I add coils, I am simply going to add them in that pattern. So that's 4 coils there, right? If I wanted to add a 5th one, I would put it in the middle. We want to make sure these coils are nice and neat and about the same size, but for this video here, we're going to do 3. So it's going to be 1, 2 next to those 2 strands, and then this one's going to go in the center to give it a good, nice, firm feel. And then I'm going to pull 3 coils out, and I'm going to put them like this in my ring finger and my birdie finger. So from there, the key to throwing a long distance Houlihan is height. It's just like shooting a basketball. You want to throw it high. The height is what gives it its distance, and you want your coils to come out clean. So if we're here, and we want to be quick on our slack, if that makes sense. You can apply this principle to either angle of Houlihan, a standing Houlihan, whatever. It's all the same. So you can add coils with it super easy. They're not going to be smacking you in the head. Just make sure they're nice and neat. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.